In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move documents to a folder in Quip. If your Quip workspace is getting a little cluttered, moving documents into the right folders can make a big difference. Let's walk through the process clearly, and I'll show you two simple ways to do it. Start by opening Quip and heading to the Home view or the Folders view, where your files are listed. Think of this as your dashboard. You'll see your recent documents and the folders in your workspace along the left sidebar. If you're looking for a file that lives inside a specific area, open the folder where it currently resides. This might be a personal area, like private, or a shared team folder. Once you're inside the correct place, locate the document or spreadsheet you want to move. You can move a file using drag and drop. Click and hold either the document's icon or its name. Both work. Then drag it over to the destination folder in the left sidebar. As you hover over that folder, you may see it highlight or expand. Release your mouse and the document is moved. A quick way to confirm is to click into the destination folder and check that the file appears there. If it's not where you expected, no worries. Just repeat the drag and drop into the correct folder. This method is fast and visual, and it's especially handy if the folder you want is already visible in the sidebar. If you don't see the sidebar, expand the navigation panel so you can drag to it. If dragging isn't convenient, use the menu option. Right-click on the document's name or click the three dots, sometimes labeled as an item or options button. From the menu that appears, select Move To or a similarly worded option. You'll see a list of available folders. Choose the destination folder and confirm. This method is great when the target folder isn't immediately visible, when you prefer a precise selection, or if you're working on a device where dragging is awkward. In many cases, the Move dialog lets you scroll or type to quickly find the folder you want. A couple of practical tips as you organize. Moving a document into a shared folder can change who can see it, depending on your workspace settings. So be mindful of permissions. If you ever move something by mistake, simply move it again to the correct location. And remember, the goal is clarity. Group related documents together so you and your team can find them in seconds. That's all there is to it. Use drag and drop for speed or the menu for precision, and your Quip documents will be neatly organized in no time.